Good morning and welcome. It is January 5th, Tuesday, 2021. We'll call this one New Year's Goals, and this is meteorologist Steve Krasinski with your storm scoop from Weather Briefings. Shared some temperature data yesterday, figured we'd go all in. This is the 2020 max and minimum temperature departures from normal for the United States using station data. Anonymously high max temp departures in the southwest you can see were pretty substantial. Also warm in the northeast and southeast, and those areas of advanced precipitation, let's call it, that we looked at yesterday, a little less so in terms of warmth. Looking at the minimum, same sort of map here. Different story. Continues to be warm in the northeast and southeast, but those areas, again, because of that rain, the clouds, less radiational clearing, all makes sense. But predominantly, it was a warmer than average year. But we have a massive signal for some colder weather and some snow all the way down, potentially to the Gulf Coast, 5 or 6 days out. My opinion, whatever storm this will be much more impactful outside the mountains in the southern U.S. than the upper low later this week. So this is the GFS. There is a storm on the models for this weekend. I'm not sold on it just yet. I have lots of questions about it and what happens after. If the Saturday coastal low misses southeast, does the high pressure in the Atlantic fill in behind it and push the trailer up the coast on Tuesday, which would look a lot like this? I don't know. So I kind of jumped back into it. In fact, let's back it up and look at the wider range. So the Euro has 3 storms to watch. That Saturday storm, a Tuesday storm, and late next week. The pattern gets quite interesting after a tranquil, quiet week. This one. 3 storms to watch. But each one, even though they're farther away, are getting progressively closer, as you can see. So the ensembles think next week, the 12th might be, sorry, not the 12th, the 15th would be the winner. 12th. Not sure about yet. This Saturday, I'm really not sold on. And that's okay. The Euro and GFS this morning, just a note. This is the Euro. Among some things to watch, the feature in pink in relation to our storm, which is in blue. The Euro is slower with the storm, so it's not aligned, which allows the storm to be more amped and not as suppressed. But if you look at the GFS wants to keep it right over the top, keeps the storm flatter, suppressed, so not too much going on. But so you're hoping for the Euro. To add to the trickiness, we have quite a few differences at the 500 millibar level that are adding up to handle the storm differently. The Hudson Bay ridging magnitude orientation, that's one. Here. And the ridging over the western United States, if you notice the Euro, which is this one, and this is the GFS here, completely different orientations. And the third one is the strength of the northern piece. So all these things are things we're going to have to do to keep in mind and keep into account as we try and figure out which, if any, of these storms can be impactful for our area. Anyway, that's going to do it for me now. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.